Hello everyone, in this video I will show with you how you can get super high score and block blast. So first all, plan ahead, always look at the available blocks and think view moves ahead, and this will help you to your place blocks and more efficiently and avoid getting stuck. Number and 2 is clear multiple line, and more than one line at the time is not only gives you more points and but also create more space for new blocks, and also avoid gaps and try to leave isolated gaps, and they can make difficult to place future blocks and should a priority number. And you make sure guys practice game perfect for more player, and you will get recognizing and make a quick decision guys for to move blocks and make a quick decision. And this is how it was guys. I hope guys this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Keep watching and subscribe to my channel.